Hey y'all! Hello! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to Cabo, okay, for my girl's birthday trip. Yep. So we're about to get on this flight. I don't know what time it is. It's 9:51. We're gonna get there in like 2 hours. So I'll let you know when we get there. And stay tuned because it's about to be a lit vlog.
You know what's up, what's up, what's up. I got the shit mapped out strong. You know what's up, what's up, what's up. Yeah, when I pull up on a nigga, tell that nigga bad, bad.
Welcome to our room. Okay, so you come right here. The door. So we have a closet right here. Oh, this is a big closet. We have a safe, you know, to store stuff because you gotta be safe on the trip. You turn right around and you have this big mirror. I know y'all see this mirror, it's huge. This is definitely gonna be the selfies right here. And then you come in here. Welcome to our bathroom. It's fire. We have double sinks right here. Got his and hers. Love this. So you open that up, got your little toilet, y'all know. But my favorite part is the shower. You open this up, show them the shower. I know y'all see that head. It is so big and nice. Love it. And then, let's see. Go this way. Ooh, okay. You go this way and you have your little, I don't know what you call this, little kitchen area. And then you have a couple areas of storage. So we have our fridge down here. And then we have just a drawer. But they're gonna come and fill this up first. So we're gonna have drinks and snacks in there. This is the bed. It's our nice king bed. Okay, then you go this way. We have our little mini couch. This is just good to chill on, as well as this little, what do you got? This little table with the chair. Just a little desk area, real cute. Then we have this big mirror. Is this a mirror?
This is a window.
We got this big window with the curtains so we can make sure it's private if we need that. You come outside. We have another little couch right here and a little table with this kind of in the middle. But under here, y'all, we're gonna have to show y'all this when we actually take it out. But we have our own little jacuzzi, little private pool out here, and just show them the view.
Just wish that they could beg.
If I die, all I know is I'm a motherfucking legend.
You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. I'm on first, I'm on tour. Got a girl, she from the start. Used to work, used to dance and test it, now she clean the house.
Hey man, we just some wine testing. That right there is it. Okay, we made some new friends.
Yeah, we did meet some new friends. Show our new friends.
Our new friends. How y'all doing, friends?
What time is it? Let's see what time.
It's around that time. Back to the room time.
Every day I was struggling to learn what life's about. On my way, money taught me Spanish, make it on delay. Way up north, packing undercars, they don't know who we are. Fuck them all, they only pussy niggas shoot.
We just blessed.
We just get into our creative vibes, you know how we get.
Taking some pics. So follow me on Instagram, okay?
At the start, right or wrong, I'ma right my wrongs. They can't let this long. You don't know where you're gonna go. I got this shit mapped out strong when I
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time.
How long you guys staying?
I'll be here till Monday.
Okay. Super Camana.
So we're going to see what
For tomorrow.
Is there anything open?
I'm sorry?
Is there anything open? I don't know if we're too late.
It's tomorrow. It's booked. Let's see
All
Sunday.
day?
And Sunday as well.
It's okay. It's not a big deal. We just want to double check with you so that we
What about guys?
We're going to still be by the pool, so it's fine.
one question. You haven't been down to the pool area, right?
No.
Do you guys have, have you been told that we have an adult area?
An adult area? Is that the very end?
See, let me show you on the map.
Okay. No, we haven't. We just got here. Hey y'all. Oh, can we turn this music down? Because it's copyright. So it's currently, I don't even have a watch on. It's currently
9 o'clock.
It's currently 9 o'clock on the dot, and we're about to go to Tajay room so we can get a little cheapsy again. Before we go to dinner, we're going to an Italian restaurant. I don't feel like changing. Lazar doesn't feel like changing, so we just chilling tonight. It's the first night. They dirty?
Yeah.
How are they dirty?
I don't know. They just dirty.
Anyway, we're about to go eat. I'll let you know what we're eating, and I'm gonna share once we get to Tajay room. Hopefully they're ready because they be running late all the time, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna see you on the phone. Hi. Oh wow. Tell me you text her and let her know. Y'all look at the almost birthday girl. Ooh, the camera finna break. They just got back from camel riding. It was so fun. If y'all come to Cabo, y'all should definitely go camel riding. We booked it with Fun Cabo. Yeah. And we doing ATV riding Sunday, y'all, with Fun Cabo as well. So y'all stay tuned for that, because I'm not driving because I can't drive. But the guys are gonna drive. Yeah. Did I tell you what happened? Girl, I fell off the ATV. Okay, so we're at dinner currently. It's 9:41. We don't know what we're ordering.
I'm about to get lasagna.
Lasagna. I think I'm gonna get some creamy mushroom pasta. I love mushrooms, so we're about to eat that. We're gonna order some drinks because it's like T-minus 3 hours till Tajay's birthday.
I like it.
Tajay not lit yet, so we're getting her lit. And
I'm drunk for.
So
yeah, we basically drunk for her at
it's
this point.
honestly like kind of closing.
We gonna get her drunk. Stay tuned, guys.
Oh, so like you can
Water,
see like the
passion
trees
fruit,
of course, but we have like the view.
What else we got?
So it's like closing, but you can see like see the trees.
I'm adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye. Better know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. Now, just do it now.
Morning. Day 2.
It's 10:30 in the morning. I did a terrible job of vlogging yesterday, so let's just hope today. Yeah, let's hope today that I do better, because I just want y'all to see this trip, because it's been bombs. Y'all can tell we look beat.
We let the liquor get the best of us
Yeah,
yesterday, and I think it's because we had like tequila, wine, beer, a little bit of everything. So
it was just a lot. So today is officially Tajay's birthday. Officially her birthday today. She's 23. So happy birthday to my sis. I know you're gonna watch this, so just know I love you and I'm thankful for you. And thank you for having me on this trip, because we're going up all weekend. But I'm sitting here right now. I decided I was gonna wake up early because the Tulum vlog is supposed to be up like yesterday, but I haven't had really good service and I have too much stuff on my laptop, so I decided this morning I'm gonna get this out of the way before we get our day started. So if y'all haven't seen that by the time you're watching this video, make sure to go check that video out too, because that vlog goes crazy. So that's what we're doing right now. What are we doing after this?
I don't know. I done got my Instagram popping though, boy.
Oh my god. I haven't even looked at my phone right now. But yeah, so after this we're gonna I think we're gonna do brunch first, then massages, then dinner. We're gonna probably go out again. So y'all just stay tuned, okay? This day about to go up again.
Yeah, dummy. You know what's going on. Quick little outfit change.
Yeah.
LA Crew is back. Woo! Oh. Done cracked my phone, y'all.
How do you always have it?
It just fell out my hand.
Bro, it's supposed to do here every day. you drop it again.
It's so beautiful out here. I don't think y'all catching my drift for real. Alright, we catch y'all. We finna go a couple massages. Found a little photo shoot for Anna, so she can post on Instagram. Y'all be sure to follow her on Instagram at Anna Crawford. Anna Crawford. It's the windiest shit.
Oh yeah. When the nigga pull up on me, tell the nigga baby.
I'm too good with these words, watch a nigga backtrack.
I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down.
It's too late for my city, I'm the youngest nigga rapping. Oh my God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Oh my God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. If I die, I'm a legend. 9 o'clock, holding on, paging you, wishing you come over my place. After a while, let me know, we can just keep talking like the last time. You were here, when we did, no sleep till morning. Like Bobo Bay. When I pull up on a nigga, tell that nigga, baby.
Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could beg us?
If I die, all I know is I'm a.
Alright, y'all.
It was wonderful.
Massage is great. I mean, 10 out of 10 every time.
Yeah. We always, every time we come on vacation, we do massage. I feel like y'all should too.
Always.
It's definitely worth it. We be on our feet all the time, so.
Sorry guys, so outfit change.
Number 3
For
for the
Anna.
day.
I'm keeping the same stuff on.
I just got a jumpsuit on right now, but
And then we finna,
about to change. Y'all, this is like my 8th bikini of the day. Like, I'm not even kidding. We gotta do to get the pictures. Alright, y'all, so we're about to go to the pool. It's like my 5th outfit change of the day, but it's new. You ready?
yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go.
Motherfucking legend.
You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot clock. Shot clock. Shot clock.
Why do I feel like the only one?
24 seconds.
Why do I feel like you owe me one?
24 seconds.
Alright, crew. We're off to dinner.
I finally have heels on. It's the first night. They have heels on. And we're running late, but I have Tajika.
We're headed to the Zen. I think it's an Asian restaurant.
It's hibachi.
Hibachi, yeah, Asian. So
Yeah.
whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so we'll patch y'all in when we get there. It's real nice though.
We love to make the hotel.
Tell them bye.
Shot clock.
You know what's up,
Shot clock.
I got the shit back out strong.
Shot
You know what's up.
Okay, y'all. So the camera's tilted. She's gonna have to work. We made it back to the crib, to the room.
If I knew.
Anyway, we're about to call. Ooh, look at this. We're about to call tonight. We're about to get in the shower, and you're looking crazy. Good morning. It's actually like afternoon. It's 12:27.
What's up?
We're about to go downstairs and get some breakfast. We tried to order some room service, but
It's a little too late.
yeah, we woke up too late. But it's our last day, so we're gonna make this the best day. And we're about to get some mimosas right now, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna see y'all when we get back to the room because we're gonna do some ATV riding and all of that today. So stay tuned. Hopefully I don't break another nail. If you seen the Tulum vlog, you already know what happened.
I'm looking down like, where?
I have broken my pinky, but I got him fixed. So we're gonna see y'all in a few.
Yeah. When I pull up on a nigga, tell that nigga bad, bad.
Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could bag that?
If I die, all I know is I'm a motherfucking legend.
You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. I'm on first.
Okay, so we're done. ATV riding. It's not ours, is it? No, I think the next one. We're waiting on our van now. How'd you
And big
feel?
bro right there.
Did you have fun?
Nah, we had a good time.
Yeah, we did have a good time. We got a picture too. It's real cute.
Okay.
Let's go back to the hard ride.
Hard rock and turn up.
Yeah.
Go time. Hey, we presidential, boy. Got the whole, damn, the whole gang posted on the van, man. Man, when I say shoot, everybody shoot. You heard? Brr. See, I don't be think I be listening to this shit, yo. I do. Come on a bit.
Hey y'all, so we're on the way to dinner. It's the fit. I'm gonna let y'all know where this fit is by, but go follow me on Instagram because that's gonna be the easiest way for y'all to find out this little fit. Okay.
You got the bed on it. Yeah, this is the cheese bread. Okay. This
Amazing trip. Which is good.
It's all about that steak. What you eating over there?
Steak, roast potato.
Can't wait to tell me what you eat.
I'm gonna talk my shit for real.
What?
LA crew is back.
Fun. I really enjoyed it. I really appreciate Anna and Elder for coming to celebrate my birthday. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll have more trips coming.
We're gonna see y'all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.